Y'all, we just got out of church with my son. I took him to church with his girlfriend. We are getting gas, got some birria tacos. We already did a review video of that. I'm going to put that out hopefully after this video, or sometime you'll get to see that. These tacos are so good. I'm going to eat one of them, pray over my body, but I'm going to eat one of them and also put some fiber and drink some fiber because they're very cheesy and I don't want to cause issues with my digestive system. But once we get home, once we leave here, so I filled up, got more gas so my husband can have gas for the week. But once we're done here, I'm going to go get a hamburger for my husband because he wants a hamburger. We're going to go home. We're going to eat. Maybe take a nap. I don't have time to take a nap. Maybe take a nap, but we're going to eat. And then I got to start on the mail. I just got to get it. I just have to do it. I have to do it. So that's what we're going to do today. It was very hard for me to say no to my son. He wanted to go somewhere else at the last minute. And I was like, son, that's something we have to plan. But we'll definitely get birria tacos today. So they're coming to the car. I'm going to go get a hamburger, head to the house, and then start up on these papers. Hey, y'all. I'm going to end this video with the school supplies haul that I got for my grandson. So let me share with y'all what I got. We got great value tissues. Let me pull this blanket down. I think it's in the way. Hold on really quick. Feels like it's in the way. Hold on. Let me move this. Okay. I don't have time to get my tripod, or I would, but ooh, I don't like that position. Okay. Well, let's do this. There we go. Okay. So we got 3 boxes of tissue, and I got the great value because he's 4. He don't know name brands. And it was cheaper. So we got the great value, and all of his list was basically bulk. And I know it's because the teacher's going to put everything together, and then she's slowly going to distribute it throughout the year as they need it. I'm aware of this concept since my kids were in elementary school. I never liked it, but I understand. Got him his headphones. He had, they requested for a set of headphones, so I got him some headphones. We got, and I seem to remember every time I would go to get my kids when they were in elementary school, their school supplies, I could never find construction paper or manila paper, the 9x12. And it could be because I always went the day before school started. But thankfully, we found both manila and construction the same size. So we got those. We got 3 of these, great value. We're going to use the most affordable. So we got 3 of these. They do the same job. And then I got 2. So I think altogether we got 5 of these. Because I got 2, so I could put 1 in my bathroom and 1 in the kids' bathroom. That way we can have, I'm trying to get myself back on a regular bathroom cleaning schedule. And so I feel like I don't want that chemical in my house, but I also feel like it's going to be easier and quick just to wipe it down. Right now I've been using baby wipes, and I just want to make sure that we get all the germs, diseases, and everything. Yeah. So we got, these are the 2 that are going to my house. Play-Doh. We got 8 little Play-Doh jars, and it's because we had to get the individual because by the time we got there to Walmart, which school doesn't start for another 2 weeks. So we have this week and next week, and then it starts. But the packs of 4, they were gone. They didn't have any more. So I had to get individual ones, and I got 1 of each color that they had. So we got 6 of these. 8, sorry. And then it called for 2 markers, 2 big markers, 2 packs of the 2 packs of 10 of the bigger markers. So I got this brand, which was the most affordable. And then I bought him his own. So I told my daughter, I got everything on the list, but I got an additional set of everything that is specifically for my grandson, and it is going to go in his pencil box out of the package so that he can use them. That's my trick. I got these. They asked for 12, so they asked for 2 packs of 6. They only had, it was either 2 or 12, so I got this. It worked out perfectly. These are the other Play-Dohs, so I got the rest of them in here. And then, so paint. I've got to go back so I can get him his paint, but they asked for 2 of these. Obviously, of course, I got the cheaper brand because it's going to go into the bulk of the classroom supplies. Oh, these are his, which I'm going to have my daughter take out of the package and put in his pencil bag so that he can use them. These are for him. But yes, so these are scented sticks, and I was like, oh, I'm going to be that grandparent, that parent that makes sure their child has something a little bit special, not just for him to feel special. So I got these for him. And then they asked for 4 packs of crayons. So we got this brand and 4 packs. He has his own set, and it's Crayola brand, but the colors are they're different. They're a little bit different. So I got him those. And then they asked for sharpened pencils. So we got this brand, sharpened pencils. They asked for two packs of 24. I went ahead and got the 1 pack of 48 because it balances out. And then I got these for him. These are for him. These pencils, these jumbo pencils right here. So this is for my daughter to keep at home so that he can do his homework at home with these. These promote motor skills, like with their fingers. That's what this size is helpful for. And also because at his age, they're kind of writing like this. There is a grip thing that I have that I'm going to give to my daughter so that he can put his fingers in it, and it'll help him keep his fingers like this. So when he goes to school, at home he can use the grip, but when he goes to school, it'll just kind of come natural for him to put his fingers like this. I got these sticky notes for me because I need sticky notes for work. Major need. I really need them for work. And then we got these scissors. They did not want plastic scissors, but they did want the scissors with the round tip. These came with a case, and so he's going to be able to use these for, and these are going to go in his pencil bag. But this is for his safety, this right here. There's that other Kleenex box. The last thing that I got was wipes. So they asked for non-scented wipes. These just happened to be laying somewhere close to the baby section. And so I just went ahead and grabbed these. I was looking for Pampers because I was like, you know what? If they're going to use this to clean their bottoms, I don't want them to have the cheap kind because those kind of chap our skin. And so I got these for him. I didn't want to get the cheap kind, but I also didn't want to get Pampers. And I feel like I used these on my kids when they were babies, and they worked perfectly. So that's all I got. That's everything that I got. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next video. I'm actually about to cut this video and start another vlog. I am working on getting this office in order. Right now, I'm gonna actually throw this mattress outside. And I'm not gonna have a bed in here. I want to have a big fluffy couch for my grandkids. But I'm gonna bring a desk in here. We're gonna get rid of these tables. I think that table's gonna stay. But this one is not gonna be here. But anyways, yeah, I'm about to do a whole mix up in here. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. May the Lord bless you. May He shine His light upon you and give you peace. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, y'all.